I think that the Young Lions competition is all about kind of inspiring young creatives. Obviously, it's for under 30s to enter, and you have a 24-hour campaign, a brief rather, and you have that campaign, you have to come up with it in that time span. It's very stressful, it's very hectic, but it is very rewarding.
If there was ever an Olympics for our field, it would be the PR Young Lions, basically. So we're very excited to be here and super happy to be in this like kind of creative space. From the minute you receive the digital brief, you kind of get down to like deconstructing it, and then you have the live briefing where you ask all your questions. We each just like take our time reading it, and then we group together, try to ideate, and again just like reconstructing it and seeing if any of our ideas kind of fit the objectives. It's a long ideation process.
You don't sleep, I'll say that much. If I think of speaking to myself when I was just entering PR, I think it would be kind of don't pressure yourself too much. I feel like there's a lot of pressure to meet that deadline and be creative, and you have to go into the room, and by the end of the room, like when you leave that room, you have to have the idea. I don't think that is or should be the case.
Yeah. For me as well, it's a lot of being curious. I would advise you to be as curious as you could possibly be. And I think a lot of people coming into communications in general, be it PR, advertising, or marketing, you have a lot to say and you feel like you want to say it all. I feel like in the beginning, I would advise people to, yes, communicate your thoughts, obviously, but also listen. Like really sit down and listen to people and hear and be mentored and have that space. Listen not just to talk back, but really hear what people are saying to you.
Actually, the opposite.
Yeah.
Because I'm quite introverted, so I would tell myself, speak up in that meeting.
Yeah.